Hi my country pipo, today I bring una one of our popular Nollywood personality wey all of una sabi well well. Dem born Chinedu IKEDIEZE, popularly known as AKI, for December 12, 1977. Chinedu IKEDIEZE be from Bende local government area for Abia State. He do im primary and secondary school for the same community before e come waka go Institute of Management Technology (IMT) for Enugu go collect higher national diploma for theatre arts and mass communication. The guy no end there o, e still go further enter obodo America go learn acting for popular New York Film Academy where e finish for 2004. Aki na one talented and funny actor wey dey act small pikin role because of im small stature.
Don't you greet your elders again?
Ekaro.
What is Ekaro?
Oh, you don't even know. Ekaro means good morning in Yoruba language.
Now, who is the owner of the greeting? Since there is no Yoruba man around here. By the way, what is happening to Ago, your brother? Ago, come here. Come here. What is your problem?
Please, Naebuka. I don't want to have nightmare.
How do you mean?
Your mustache is capable of doing that, so I don't like looking at your face.
Aki na one multi-talented actor wey enter acting fully for 1998 when im appear for one Nollywood film wey dem title Evil Men. According to wetin the guy yarn, e say na 500 naira check dem give am after e don complete the film. Inside one interview wey dem do for am, Aki tell pipo say na boiling ring im take dat 500 naira buy since na him be pressing need for dat time. As God go do am for am, na 4 years after im life change for better when dem feature am alongside im twin brother for film Osita Iheme aka Popo for a film wey dem title Aki na Ukwa.
Managing Director, Right Time Stores. Akan yang berkodo wa malam-malam. Oyo mani chisule chisu. Shipra velo koma Sophia. Yes, gonna one of us.
Na this particular film make Aki a household name within and outside Nigeria. No be fame alone o, plenty cash also enter im pocket too. After im success for im role in Aki na Ukwa, many film producers come make Aki busy with roles in plenty Nollywood films. As I dey follow una yarn now, the little stature comic actor don feature inside more than 110 Nollywood movies, playing major character unlike when im first started.
Make some noise for Zangu! Make some noise with the festival they create!
The Johnsons na current African Magic television show for DSTV where Chinedu dey feature as Efe. Other popular movie wey im don feature include Spanner 2002, Lagos Boys 2003, Family Crisis 2003, School Dropout 2003, Back from America 2003, Charge and Bail 2003, Igbo Maid 2004, Village Boys 2005, Sweet Money 2006, Stubborn Flies 2007, Cain and Abel 2007, The Rainmaker 2009, Loyal Enemies 2010, Jack and Jill 2011, Village Rascals 2012. Take the Spot na another movie wey im co-produce and feature other popular Nollywood and Hollywood stars for 2014. Chinedu don get plenty recognitions, nominations and awards from oríṣiríṣi organizations plus including Nigerian government. Some of the awards include Filmmakers Association of Nigeria (FAN), Lifetime Achievement Award in the 2007 African Movie Academy Awards, Honorary Award in 2018 as a Distinguished Visitor to the City of Miami, Florida, United States. The highest award na the one wey government take sama am wey be the Member of the Order of the Federal Republic of Nigeria (MFR) wey former President Goodluck Ebele Jonathan give am alongside im twin brother for movie for 2011. Apart from acting, Chinedu na entrepreneur and serial investor wey get several real estate investment business. Na December 2011, Chinedu carry im before lover, Nneoma Nwaija, go say I do for altar. The Gambody produce one girl child for 2012. Na later we hear say devil put sansan for dem garri. As we dey speak now, AKI never get another okpeke. In case you be single lady wey dey look for fine sexy boy, if we carry AKI put for market with the current rate wey naira dey exchange for dollar now, Chinedu is worth 2.8 billion naira. If una gbadun dis gist, make una help us subscribe, like, comment and share so that we go dey notify una as other gist dey shele. And for my people wey don already subscribe, no forget to turn on your notification bell icon so that sharparly dem go dey notify you as we dey upload new video.